Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel. Thank you so much for coming here, and if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel. Click on the red subscribe button below and click on the notification bell as well to get notified whenever a new video is up. If you're a returning subscriber, I am so grateful. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is a very special one because I'm going to be unleashing one of my skills, which is digital painting or cartooning in layman's terms. So many of you don't know that I do digital painting. I'm going to show you some samples of them I got here. As you can see on your screen, these are some paintings I've done before and some that were also actually printed out into frames, so you can see them, admire them here. So that's what I do. That's one of the things I do. So today I'm going to be drawing a little girl, and I'm going to be showing you my process, the whole procedure, and how I achieved my drawing at the end. So guys, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Today I'm going to be drawing an icon in Cameroon, a rising star per se, and her name is Jato Sonita. This is a young girl who has proven beyond every reasonable doubt that she is worth celebrating. So today I would like to extend my love to her by drawing her. So I'm going to be making a cartoon of Jato Sonita, and guys, you're going to be marveled. So I'm going to go right away into the drawing. What I'm going to be needing for my painting is just this little pen and a Samsung iPad. That's what I can use. If you want to do painting, you can actually start with an iPad like this, because this is actually the pen from the iPad. So it goes like this. You can start with an iPad, you can start with a computer, with apps like Corel Draw, Adobe Illustrator. Yeah, you can start with a computer, you can start with an iPad, whatever. Let the paintings be good. So guys, this is what I'm going to be using today, and so enjoy. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually trying to map out the image from the background, as you can see, and so I'm using the original photo to do that. I need to remove the image from the background and paint it on a new sheet. So as you can see the illustrations here, I'm actually painting and giving it the color I want, or giving it her color. While doing this, I need to make sure that every area is included, in her body, because the colors are supposed to be unique and they're supposed to be even. So guys, I'm really sorry for the white light that pops up every time. I think it's the phone's sensitivity, because whenever my hand goes to draw, it becomes whitish. So guys, I think around towards the end of this video it was suggested, so just keep watching. So I'm actually trying to bring out her facial features here, and I'm trying to put in the various lightings and contours so that the face is going to be really visible. So you see me applying some yellow foundation, white color. I'm trying to make it more realistic, so I'm trying to fix the face. I don't just want it to be a plain cartoon, but I want it to be like it's alive. So guys, I hope you're enjoying it. Making a cartoon requires so much concentration and focus. You need to focus so much to make sure that you don't do errors. Many people always think that most cartoon artists just go and use apps and paste the pictures in apps and then the apps produce it. So I hope you're seeing the work that it's involved, the focus you need, and you need every little detail. I mean, you don't ignore even an eyebrow or a hair. So being a digital artist isn't a day's job, guys. So I hope you see. Here I'm trying to bring out her leaf-like chain or her leafy chain, and I've used a touch of lemon green, and now I'm using a touch of dark green to give it a more realistic look. So guys, most of these colors you see here are a mixture of more than one color, because if you just give it one color, it's not going to really be realistic. So I have to mix other colors to produce the right color I want. Here we are at the palms. This was one of the hardest places for me. I really faced a lot of difficulty here because I was trying to bring it out exactly the way it is in the picture, and I found myself doing it over and over again. So guys, but thank God I succeeded, and we are almost at the end of this drawing. I hope you're enjoying it. All through the drawing, her hair has been hidden, so we are trying to bring out her dark short hair. So yeah, here it is. And I'm so sorry because my phone actually went off and I had to continue with the drawing, and that's why you see the marks, the white marks already there, because I just had to continue. I didn't want to waste time. I actually started this video a day ago, and I had to attend to something else, so I stopped the video, and now I just wanted to round it up today since many people had been waiting for the video. That's why I didn't want to waste time. So while my phone was charging, I just had to do a little more advancement, guys, but I don't think it's much of an issue. So guys, we are almost at the end of this video. As you can see, I'm doing the finishing touches. I have to make sure that every detail is represented, and for the mouth, well, I had some issues there because I tried to bring it out but it wasn't seeming real, so I just had to maintain its natural look, and I think it was perfect at the end. And finally we are done, so I'm just saving my work and you're going to see it clearly. I'm going to upload the picture here so you can see the final work of Jato Sonita. So guys, I present to you Jato Sonita's cartoon. Here are other cartoons I've done before, guys. You can check it out on Facebook. My Facebook handle is Feti Arts. You can check it out. If you need any of these, you can get to me on WhatsApp or on Facebook or wherever, guys. I'm going to give you the best. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to this channel. Love you.